Hello guys and welcome po sa Tropatoons. In this video, I will be unboxing the DJI Mini 3 Pro Flymore Kit Plus. This is an essential accessories for the Mini 3 Pro drone. So this is a 47 minutes battery. So stay tuned guys. Hello guys, so let's go straight to the unboxing. So here's the box, the DJI Mini 3 Pro Flymore Kit Plus. So this one is houses the 47 minutes battery. The other one, which is the Flymorecombo kit combo, which is only have two sets of 34 minutes, but this one is 47 minutes. That's why it is called the Flymore Kit Plus. So let's go straight to the unboxing guys. So here's the box. Okay, so as you can see, so there's a bag, there's a USB-C cable, a set of propellers, two batteries, and charging dock. So let's open. So I think all of the items is inside the box. Okay, so here's the bag, and there's nothing left in the box. So here's the box, the bag. So what's inside the bag guys? So let's check. So first is the documentation, the start guide. So let's file them. Then here's the battery with the charging dock. So let's check the so there are four sets of propellers guys. As you can see guys, they are set. So set A and set B. So you have a pair for set A and set B. Okay, four sets of propeller. Then you have a USB-C cable guys, as usual, for charging, and it doesn't come with a charger because all I can see is the battery with the charging jack. So that's all guys. So it's already empty. So let's open. So here is the 47 minutes battery guys, together with the charging dock. So as you can see guys, here's the charging dock. So you can see the LED indicator telling the charging status of each battery. So here you can see the power button. I think this one is for you to see, let's say, how much left in the battery, and you have here USB-C for let's say charging. And this one, I think guys, this the engineer in DJI is very clever guys. You have out here. I think this one can be used as a power bank because you have an out. So very clever engineer in DJI. You can use this one as a power bank. Okay. Okay. So I think this one is much heavier. I get the 34 minutes battery. Here's the 34 minutes battery, which comes together with the drone. It says 249 grams. So if you use the 34 minutes, it will stay under 250 grams. But if you use the 47 minutes battery, it will be greater than 250 grams. So you need to register it, guys. As you can see the difference, not much. Actually, they are identical. The only thing, so it's almost the same, guys. This one is much heavier. Based on the DJI website, this standard smart flight battery weigh approximately 80.5 grams with a capacity of 2,453 milliampere, while this one, the long-lasting smart flight battery, is the 47 mAh, which weighs about 121 grams with a capacity of 3,850 milliampere. So it is slightly heavier, guys. So keep on mind, guys, that if you use this battery, the takeoff weight of the drone will be 289 grams, and you need to register the drone because it exceeds the weight limit for you to register a drone. So if you exceed 250 grams, you need to register the drone. Mine, I already registered my drone, guys, before I get this Flymore Kit Plus. So as you can see, guys, DJI is very clever, guys. So they only mark the 34 minutes battery with 249 grams, while this 47 minutes battery doesn't have any weight on it because it exceeds 250 grams, guys. So take note on that. So it's almost the same, guys. Okay, guys, you can hear the clasp, guys. So it is very secure, guys. And I will put also the 34 minutes battery together with the 47 minutes battery. Okay, and I think if I press the power button, the only battery will light up is the 34 minutes battery. Okay, to check the status, because you can see, guys, it's almost half. Only 50%, maybe less than 50% left in this 34 minutes battery, guys. So very clever, guys. You can use this as power bank to charge your tablets, cell phones, and other gadgets. So very clever design. So it's very sturdy, guys. And I think, and one thing, guys, DJI does not include any charger for this Flymore Kit Plus. So you need to buy a separate wall charger. But DJI recommends a 30-watt charger. Using a lesser charger, let's say a 20 watts, will consume time. So be sure that you get 30 watts or higher wall charger for that to charge to speed up the charging of the batteries. For me, I use this wall charger that is rated 65 watts. So DJI only recommend 30 watts, but I buy 65 watts because it doesn't matter, because the battery only draws 30 watts of power from this 65 watts wall charger, so it doesn't matter. Just keep on mind that when buying a battery, you must if you buy a wall charger, you should buy a 30 watts or greater wall charger. Okay, so very good, guys. So in this battery, maybe I think this 34 minutes only, this DJI said this is 34 minutes, but I think this one only in real flight scenario only 23 to 25 minutes. And based on my research, this 47 minutes battery will only give you a maybe a 34 to 36 minutes of flight time. Okay. So I will charge these batteries, and I will update the software later on. So let's and one thing, guys, if you want to see the let's say how these items goes along with the bag. So here it is, guys. So I will put the charging dock here. Yeah. So it fits well, guys. So the drone, the controller, and the charging dock together with the batteries, and you can also put the cables here and the propellers and other things like the filters. Okay. So just to show you the arrangement inside the bag. Okay, so I will now charge these batteries and update the firmware per battery, guys. So see you again later. Now, guys, we are now charging the battery. So as you can see, guys, it's currently charging the first 47 minutes battery. It already charged the 34 minutes battery. So the sequence of charging will be the charging dock will determine the battery which is most likely to be full. So it is the first battery, which is the for in this case the 34 minutes battery. After that, it will charge the for the first 47 minutes battery, and the last to be charged is the, let's say, the empty, at least the least charged battery. So that is the sequence. So in this case, this one charged first, and this now is in progress. Then after this one is fully charged, it will go now here. So now I'm using the 65 watts wall charger. So it's better, guys, to get this kind this Flymore Kit Plus to have this charging dock, because if you don't have this charging dock, you will always charge your battery using the drone, and during charging the drone will heat up. Maybe the electronics in the drone, let's say, experience heat up, that maybe sometimes can cause trouble later on. So it's better to have this kind of charging dock so that the battery is isolated with the drone. I will come back later, guys, to update the software per battery using the. So, guys, I just put the 47 minutes battery in the drone, turn on the drone and the controller. Now we will update the aircraft firmware. Here it is. The aircraft firmware will be updated to the latest version to prevent flight safety risks due to inconsistent firmware versions between aircraft modules. Yeah. Because every time we have a new battery, we need to update the firmware per battery. So now we will update the firmware. Update. Okay. So while updating, my final verdict in this accessory, the Flymore Kit Plus, is it is a very important accessories, guys, because I think one battery is not enough for a drone, guys, especially when you are traveling and maybe you are 3 days on the area and you need to explore. One battery is not enough, so you need additional batteries and additional let's say extended batteries for you to have more drone shots, videos. So I think it is very important, guys, to, if you have the budget, you get the Flymore Kit Plus, the 47 minutes battery. Now the firmware update is complete, and as you can see, battery firmware update successful. Restart if aircraft powers off automatically. So, guys, every time you have a new battery, you should do this kind of firmware update. It's very important. Every time you have to change or you have a new battery, you need to update the firmware. Okay, battery. And guys, so that's all, guys. So great product again from DJI, and thank you for watching, guys, and see you on my next unboxing. Bye bye, guys. Thank you for watching.